Most beginner designs look cheap, even when they use professional software. And the strange part? Most beginners don't even realize it. The problem isn't talent, it's visual hierarchy. Your brain wants clarity. It wants focus. Beginners try to make everything important. But professionals do the opposite. They use spacing to guide your eyes. They use contrast to control attention. They use fewer fonts, but stronger typography. And they avoid random colors. That's why luxury brands feel expensive. Because simple design feels confident. Watch this transformation. Remove extra text. Remove distractions. Now it feels professional. So if your designs feel cheap, don't add more. That's the real secret of professional design. In episode 2, you'll learn how colors control emotions. Follow for the complete graphic design psychology series.